purchased this weed burner on Amazon for about $35. The burner consists of two pieces, the torch burner head and the torch handle. But you'll also need a small canister of propane, which is not included with the burner. It does come with a quick pictorial guide as well as a detailed user's manual. The only form of contact listed in the manual is an email address for customer service. Before assembling the burner, check the torch head and make sure you get a spark before attaching the handle. Do this by compressing the self-igniter at the end of the torch head piece and look for a spark within the head. It may take a couple of tries, but it should ignite. If not, consult the manual. It explains how to adjust the ignition pin. Once you're sure the torch will burn, assemble the two pieces by simply screwing them together. Before attaching the propane tank to the burner, turn the gas valve to the off position. Attach the propane tank to the connector on the end of the torch handle. Then we'll go outside and see how to use this weed burner. Do not operate this product indoors. Be sure to clear the area you'll be working on of any combustible debris such as leaves or paper.
No.
Let's go over how to operate this weed burner. Make sure the gas valve is in the off position. Keep the torch head turned away from you. Turn the gas valve one full turn. Fuel is now venting within the burner. Press the ignition switch to create the spark as we saw earlier. The spark ignites the propane and we'll see a small flame burst from the torch head. Now turn the gas valve another full turn and then some. You want the valve all the way open. On this weed burner, it's the trigger that controls the flame, not the valve as with other brands. The more you squeeze the trigger, the more you increase the flame. With the burner pointed downwards, position the torch head over the weed and squeeze the trigger, making sure the flame hits the weed directly. The intense heat kills the weeds, but they don't burn and turn to ash on the spot. Over a day or two, the weeds wilt and die. Smaller weeds are likely to die off more quickly. We use these little flags made from wood skews and post-it notes to mark the weeds I burned today using the weed burner. In a day or two, we should see these weeds wilted, scorched, and dying. Bear in mind the flame does not discriminate. Keep the torch head away from flowers and gardens and avoid killing your plants or scorching other materials. Also note, burning isn't a cure-all. Weeds still show up, but instead of using a chemical spray, you're using extreme heat. To shut the burner off, turn the gas valve all the way to the off position. Allow the flame to die out completely. This may take up to 60 seconds. Remove the propane cylinder from the unit. Store the propane away from heat sources and combustibles.
So I can't put it down on it.
Allow the torch head to cool in an open space, like a back patio, before disassembling and storing the weed burner. 24 hours later, the weeds are shriveling up and dying off. It's a testament to the effectiveness of this product. It's meant to kill weeds, and it does. My ongoing cost is a propane tank, which is less expensive than continually buying gallons of chemical spray. And the burner is more effective overall. So the cost is reasonable. It's available on Amazon. It's easy to assemble and use, and it works. I like this product. As always, we strongly recommend you read the manual before operating this device. Thanks for watching.